Namaste students, I am JV's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss a topic that is nutrient cycling, and this belongs to the subject ecology and evolution. So let's start. So what is the nutrient cycling? A nutrient cycle is defined as the cyclic pathway by which nutrients pass through in order to be recycled and reutilized. Okay, so the nutrients need to be recycled in the cells like organisms, community, and the ecosystem. And in the process, nutrients get absorbed, transferred, released, and reabsorbed. It is a natural cycling system of the minerals. So there are two types of nutrient cycling are there. That is gaseous or sedimentary nutrient cycling. So few of the examples of the nutrient cycling are the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, water oxygen cycle, phosphorus cycle. Um okay, so let's talk about one by one. So we will take first the uh, carbon cycle. Before starting the carbon cycle, we are discussing here the uh, importance of the nutrient cycle. So all living organisms, biomolecules are cells are and cells made up of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. So these elements essential for life, and it is important to recycle and continuously replenish nutrients into the environment for life to exist. So the required for the transformation of nutrients from one form to another form. So that is, it can be readily utilized by different organisms. Transform nutrients from one place to another for utilization. Example: air and soil and water. So carbon cycle, the carbon is the main constituent of all living cells, and all the organic matter and biomolecules carbon contain carbon. So carbon is present mainly as a carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so uh, there is a continuous exchange of carbon between biotic and abiotic components by the process of photosynthesis and respiration. So atmospheric carbon dioxide is fixed by plants in the process of photosynthesis, and the living organisms release carbon dioxide during the respiration. So carbon is released into the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels and auto emission. Organic carbon from dead and decaying organisms and waste products is released into the atmosphere after the decomposition, and that is again utilized by the plants in the photosynthesis. Next is nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen is an essential component of life. Nitrogen cannot be directly utilized by the living organism and has to converted to the other forms. So by the process of nitrogen fixation, nitrogen fixing bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen to the ammonia, and nitrifying bacteria convert ammonia to nitrate. So it is then taken up by the plants. Atmospheric nitrogen is converted to nitrates directly by lightning and assimilation by the plants. So the composers break down proteins and amino acids to of dead and decaying organic matters and waste products. Denitrifying bacteria convert ammonia and nitrates to the nitrogen and nitrous oxide by the process of denitrification, and in this way nitrogen is released back into the atmosphere. Next is the oxygen cycle. So oxygen is essential for life. Aquatic organisms are dependent on oxygen dissolved in water. Oxygen is required for decomposition of the biodegradable waste products. So photosynthesis is the main source of oxygen present in the atmosphere. Atmospheric oxygen is taken up by the living organism in the process of respiration and released carbon dioxide, which is used for photosynthesis by the plant. So oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle is feed for one another. So next is the water cycle or hydrologic cycle. So water from the oceans, lakes, rivers, and other reservoirs is continuously converted to vapor by the process of evaporation and transpiration from the surface of plants. So water vapors get condensed and returned to by the precipitation, and cycle continues. The water falling on the ground is absorbed and stored in the groundwater. So hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur. Thank you.